Hey, it's Becca with Rebecca Reed Creative, and in this video I'm going to talk about Google's new algorithm. It's coming out in 2021, and I'm just going to touch on one little aspect of it. So the main thing that they are trying to, Google being they, are trying to do is make the page experience better. And hopefully this algorithm will actually work in our small brands' favors. You know when you land on those websites and you're trying to click out of the pop-up, and you're like clicking and it keeps popping up, or you are saying no, I don't want to purchase, and you keep clicking no, 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 and then all of a sudden you purchased an item. That is obviously a terrible user experience, and Google wants to track these websites and move them down. So what can you do for your user experience and to prepare for this new algorithm coming in 2021? Well, I wanted to read a little snippet that Google said. So this is Google's own words. The page experience signal measures aspects of how users perceive the experience of interacting with a web page. Optimizing for these factors makes the web more delightful for users across all web browsers and surfaces, and helps sites evolve towards user experiences on mobile. We believe this will contribute to business success on the web as users grow more engaged and can transact with less friction. So one little thing that popped up to me was mobile. Make that mobile experience user-friendly. Make it, if you're having to zoom in on text because it's too small, that's not user-friendly. There's a lot of little things that you can do just to make it a better user experience. But there's one thing in particular that I really wanted to show you because I think it's a really cool way to track your user experience. So that is all about page speed. And this is something you can get really caught up in, and I did for a while. And I just want to put a little snippet out there that says, if your page speed is a little bit lower or a little bit longer than you'd want, just try comparing it with other people in your industry. If you are a photographer, for example, you might have a slower page loading speed because your website has some really high quality photos. And you could compress those images to be really terrible quality, but why are people going on your website? You're a photographer, they want to see your images, and a low quality image is not going to make someone purchase from you. So don't get too caught up in the analytic, but at the same, and compare it with other people in your industry. But let me show you a cool little trick that you can do right now to implement really fast things in order to make your website a little bit more user friendly. Okay, so the main things I want to go over is optimizing the speed of your website and then reducing the 404 errors. So I'll link this below. This is on Neil Patel's website, and it's an SEO analyzer, and you just type in your website and it'll give you an on-page score. These are all great things to look at, but I want you to look right here at the health check. And if you have a broken link, go in and see what that is and then change it so that it is now linked to a new page on your website that is not broken. So I actually went in and I haven't updated this, but I did correct it. So you can see what page it is by just clicking on the page. And I just directed this to my homepage because that's what it was. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys, if you go back to the report, once you've fixed the broken links, is looking here at the desktop load time and the mobile load time. Anything under 3 seconds is good, so try to keep it in that range. And if you have a load time that's poor, then it's time to maybe go in and you could reducing picture size is one way to do it. I'll actually link a blog below of this video to show you different ways to get a better, faster loading website. So I hope you found that helpful. I would love to connect with you over on Instagram. DM me, let me know what you're working on with your website, whether it's SEO or if there's anything that I can help you with. And let me know in the comments what content you would like to see from me, and I'll be sure to try to record a video for it.